Hi everyone, my name is Robin Speziale and I am the national best-selling author of a book called Market Masters. In this video, I'll be talking about Barry Schwartz and the lessons he learned from the market. This is a blog post that Barry Schwartz typed up, and he is one of the chief portfolio managers at Baskin Wealth Management here in Toronto. And I actually, I got this excerpt and I did include it in my book, Market Masters, in which Barry Schwartz is also featured in. I interviewed Barry, I met him at his office, and he shared his investment strategies with me, some of his biggest stock winners, some of his biggest losers, and many more lessons that he learned in the stock market, having been an investor and a money manager for clients for so many years. But I'm going to read for you these key lessons that he's learned in the market. You can find them on the Baskin Wealth Management website as well. So these are in Barry Schwartz's own words. Over the past 15 years, I've learned a few things about investing and managing money, Barry says. No two investors are alike, but here's what works for me. Number one, I am not a better investor because of my university and investment degrees. All that I have learned about investing and managing money has come from my time in the market, reading about investing and listening to my partner, David Baskin. Two, if I've done my homework and properly valued a company, the only person I should listen to is me. 3. The internet is a great resource to find investment ideas. In an instant, I can look at the holdings of great investors, read terrific analysis from the various blogs, and get all the data that I want. It can be overwhelming, so you have to focus your time. 4. I've never regretted buying a stock with a low valuation and a reasonable balance sheet that either raises its dividend or buys back a lot of stock. 5. Companies that grow their dividends even with low yields will outperform those high yields, but that offer no dividend growth. 6. I'm happy to listen to others' opinions, but I will never make an investment decision based on what someone has told me until I've done the valuation work myself. 7. Barry says, nobody, and I can't stress this enough, nobody can time the market or can predict what will happen with the economy, interest rates, or currencies with any accuracy over the long run. 8. Buy and hold works for us and our clients. Our best investments are ones that we have held but constantly monitored over the long run. Companies like Cineplex, Saputo Cheese, Bank of Nova Scotia, TransCanada Pipelines, Keyera, and Home Capital, to name just a few, have been holdings for us over 10 years and have created a lot of value for our clients. Number 9, Barry Schwartz from Baskin Wealth Management says, free cash flow yield is our best friend. Good things happen to companies that generate a lot of free cash flow. 10, when the market goes down, there is no shortage of people telling you that it will get worse, or that they knew the market was overvalued. Those same people never tell you when to buy, though, or when the market is undervalued. Commodities are our worst enemies, is number 11. No company has the ability to control its destiny, but companies that have pricing power at least have a fighting chance. Commodity producers are price takers, and in our experience, they take their fair share of punishment. Number 12, Barry Schwartz says, whenever someone tells me to sell something because it hasn't done anything lately, I get super excited. I don't care what a stock has done. I'm only interested in its future potential. 13, whenever someone says a business or industry is in structural decline, I also get super excited. We've made a lot of money buying companies that supposedly were selling a product or service that people aren't going to use anymore. Things don't change that fast. 14, Charlie Munger has served me well by revealing the 3 C's of investing: cannibals, compounders, and cloning. Cannibals are companies that buy back a lot of stock. Compounders are companies that generate high return on equity and return on invested capital. Cloning is looking at what great investors such as Charlie Munger's partner Warren Buffett are buying or selling and figuring out why. And finally, number 15, Barry Schwartz says, every single dip in the market has been a buying opportunity since the beginning of time. You can be miserable during a bear market, which is a prolonged declining market, or a correction, but don't panic. Every day the market is open is a chance to learn something new. Keep on learning. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this. These were Barry Schwartz's top 15 things that he learned from investing in the stock market. And Barry is also in my book, Market Masters, interviews with Canada's top investors. You can pick the book up your local library, amazon.ca.com or Indigo. Please subscribe, guys. Happy investing, and talk soon. Bye.